Right, what do I love about the Philippines? Well, the first thing I love is how cheap it is. Because, like, for example, you can get a haircut for 40 pesos. 40 pesos. The second you could get a massage at home for like 250 pesos, 300 pesos for a full massage. And by the way, when you get your hair cut, after they cut your hair, they give you a massage. I've never been and got a haircut yet. I've not getting a massage and come out feeling absolutely brilliant. The second thing I like is there's so many islands to visit. Beautiful clear water, white sandy beaches. Where else in the world can you just drive to one of these beaches and have a great time while you're there? The third thing I like is the people. The people here are brilliant. And I'll give you an example. When I was on my motorbike, the other motorbike I had, I went to Legazpi and I got a puncture. And it doesn't matter what road you're on in the Philippines, there's somebody that'll fix your tires and repair your bike and this, that and the other. And I'm pushing my bike and this guy stopped to ask what was wrong and could he help, right? And he pointed out one of these places to go to get the tire repaired. The other thing is, when I'm saying things are so cheap, it cost me, I think, 50 pesos to get my tire repaired. 50 pesos. I mean, that's less than $1. You know, I mean, it's amazing. You know, if you were in the West and say you'd lost your way, they'd be saying, hey, haven't you got a sat nav on your phone? Do you know what I mean? But here, they'll help you, they'll point out where to go, and you know, they'll invite you in for something to eat, something to drink. There's some very, very beautiful people here. It's a beautiful culture. Number 4, the other thing I like about the Philippines, it's in the center of Asia. So you can fly to China, Thailand, all the different places, Cambodia. I think the only other place that's in the center of Asia is Taiwan, and that's what I love about it as well. The next thing I like about the Philippines is family values, family traditions. I think it's one of the unique cultures around the world that in 2020 we still have the family as king. The values that they hold dear is passed on to the kids, and it's something we've lost in the West. We lost a long time ago. We might have had something close in the 1950s, but it slowly got chipped away. Next is, I love it because it's warm all year round. In the Philippines, it's hot, hotter than you've got the hottest. Where else in the world, there's not many other places can boast that. So everybody who's sitting at home and it's snowing outside, or it's raining and it's really cold rain. The next thing I like about the Philippines is the women. The Philippines has some of the most beautiful women in the world. I like the dark skin, I like the black hair, the long hair. I like the natural beauty. I like the fact that an old guy like me can come over to the Philippines and get somebody a little younger than he is, in some cases a lot younger. There's not many places in the world, cultures in the world, that would not frown upon that kind of thing. But in the Philippines, it's encouraged, and I like that. The next thing I like about the Philippines is the food, because I love food. You know, I like chicken adobo, siligan, Bicol Express. There's just so much food. But the main thing I like is the fruit, the variety of different fruits here, which is, some of the fruits are specific to the Philippines. And I just love it, absolutely love it. Fresh buko shakes, I love buko juice. The next thing I like about the Philippines is English. This is one of the, if not the best, English-speaking countries in Asia. In fact, I was looking at a statistic the other day, and it says that 83% of people in the Philippines speak English. And that's why I love the Philippines. I previously visited Cambodia and found very few people spoke English, very few people. I immediately realized that place was not for me. The next thing I love about the Philippines is the malls. The Philippines has some of the biggest and greatest malls in Asia, and they're just brilliant. You can get most of whatever you want. They stock a lot of foreign items, so a lot of things that you can get back in the USA or get in the UK or anywhere else in Europe, you can normally get in these malls. I love the Philippines. So guys, that is 10 things I just love about the Philippines. I'm guessing there's a lot more, but nothing comes to mind at the moment. So I hope you found that just a little bit interesting. And if you have, give it the thumbs up. Please share our videos. And please subscribe and just enjoy our videos. So, bye for now.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines!
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must make